Hi there, welcome back to Outdoors and Country Living. My name is Leanne. What do you say I show you how I make a crock pot full of country style ham and beans with some ham that we raised and cured ourselves. All right, so this is going to be kind of a hands-off cooking, except for the prep here. So we're going to need a crock pot. Nothing in it yet. We have some ham with some of the fat from the ham in here. This is a hog that we raised and then we butchered and cured the ham ourselves. I have an onion chopped. We have some of the ham drippings that we saved. Freeze-dried celery. You can use fresh also. Some sweet basil that we grew ourselves and preserved. Some ground black pepper. And then we like to use great northern beans and pinto beans. But you can use any type of bean you want. You can use all of the same kind or switch it up. So let's get started prepping this crock pot full of delicious country style beans. Into the crock pot, I'm going to add 1 cup of pinto beans. This is a ½ cup measuring cup, that's why I'm doing 2. So 1 cup of pinto beans. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of great northern beans. Again, you can use any kind of bean you prefer. You can use 3 different kinds of beans. You can use 1 kind of bean. I find 2 cups is plenty. And then add celery to taste. Again, this is freeze-dried. We freeze-dry some vegetables ourselves. You can use freeze-dried or fresh. And again, the amount is to your liking. I've got 1 onion chopped. And then about a cup of ham. So we're going to add that in. This is ham that we raised and cured ourselves. This is a little chunk of bone with some meat on it. We're just going to plop that in there. And I'm going to put in about 1 to 2 teaspoons of these ham drippings, which is from when we cooked the ham. It's got some ham fat in here and all of that amazing flavor. So 1 to 2 teaspoons of that. It adds fat and a great amount of flavor to the beans. About a tablespoon of ground black pepper. And about 1 to 2 tablespoons of this dried basil. We grow it. It's sweet basil. You can see there. It's so good. So full of flavor. And then we're going to add 8 cups of water. You can use broth. I make it both ways. If you want to use some chicken broth or some beef broth, whatever you prefer, you could. Adds a little more depth to your beans, but it's not required. Since my ham has plenty of fat and flavor in it, I'm just using water this time. We're going to put the lid on it and turn this crock pot on high. I just want to show you how the celery is rehydrating. And crock pot's on high. We're going to put the lid on this and walk away from her for a while. Let her cook supper for us while we go on and do other things. Not too hard, is it? Okay, so the crock pot has been on for a couple of hours. Just wanted to give you a little peek as to what's going on. The basil has darkened. It's heating up nicely. I'm just going to stir it around. Now, since I use the fresh basil that's been dried, it will add and make our beans darker in color, but that's okay. I like it that way. So make it your own. Add whatever seasonings and herbs that you like. Doesn't have to be exactly like this. I'm just showing you how we like it. We're going to let it keep cooking. So it's been cooking for several hours at this point. You just basically want to cook it until your beans start to soften and the meat is starting to pull away from the bone. Everything has reduced and is completely in the broth that it has made. But we're going to keep letting these cook a little bit longer. Not quite supper time yet, but we're getting closer. I don't know about you, but I like crock-pot meals. It kind of frees me up to do other things while supper is cooking. So let the crock-pot be your helper. All right, so the beans are done at this point. You can see they're a little bit thicker. If you want yours a little pastier, you can mash up the beans a little bit if you want. I just kind of leave it like this. I don't really fuss over it too much. The beans are done, but they are still pretty whole. So we're going to make some cornbread to go with this. And we're going to call it supper. Just showing you here, the beans are done. It smells really good too. Oh my goodness. So here is a country style cast iron buttermilk cornbread that we make. The video link, I'll put that in the description below, so make sure you click the word more under the video to find more information on how to find the video as that. So you can make some. So my husband's just gonna get some beans out into bowls for us for supper. You can see his cornbread is already cut and waiting. We always make cornbread to go with our beans. It's pretty simple. Don't overcomplicate it. Make it your own and get creative with it. But that's how we make country style beans and ham in a crock pot. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourselves. Be sure you are eating well. May God bless you. And we'll see you later.